Hi everyone, it's Nica. So I put together a really gorgeous Shabby mini album kit to destash. So this is going to be, again, like all the other lots, this is going to be US only, PayPal only, first come first serve. Please pay promptly, and my email address will be in the description box below. So let's get started. It's really pretty, shabby pinks and blues and greens. So these are the flowers. This is Prima flowers. And there's these pretty pink shimmery flowers. I don't know if it shows on the camera, but these are really shimmery. And then there's these multicolored ones. And there are these white ones, along with these, and there's glitter on some of them, so sparkly. Really cute. You'll get these this pack of blue and green tone butterflies. You will be getting some bling. These are some blue shimmery flowers. And there's these silver bling, these pearl flower stickers, these swirls, sorry it's hard to see that, these swirls. You'll also be getting these paper clips with it's a blue cameo, a pink cameo, and some flowers. And there's this on top. There's this resin frame, and these pink resin frames. There's also these wood embellishments. These can be used for so many different projects. You could probably make more than a mini album with this. There's also this really large package of bling. There's a stamp set from Hampton Art. Sorry, I'm trying not to get the glare. There's this stamp set from Autumn Leaves. It's a spring-based stamp set. Would go really good with the colors. You'll be getting this Tim Holtz die, and this is small tattered florals, so you can make your own flowers with this set for this project or many other projects. You'll be getting 1/2 inch double-sided tape. There's a bunch of pearl strands in here. I think there's about a yard of each, but there's this flat shimmery pearl. You can see it's, sorry, it's flat. So that's in the cream color and the pink color. And then you have flat back pearl in the light green, the light blue, and then there's white. And then there's a pearl strand in here that's not flat back. That's a bit smaller. So that's there. Also, you'll get a whole bunch of trims. Here's some white eyelet lace. Some blue lace right here. Sorry if you can hear my daughter munching. She's right next to me. You can get some of this large trim. It's fairly large. There's this light pink bling mesh. You'll be getting some tulle with this flocked polka dot in a cream color, as well as a pink color. There's some doilies that I used to sell on my store. There's 15 pieces in here. You'll also get a package of smaller ones. This is what it looks like. There's a whole bunch in there. These are great for fabric flower centers or other decorations, what have you. You will be getting some of this white rosette trim, some of this wide lace that's stretchy. It's really pretty. Let me see. There's some eyelash trim in a dark blue, a light blue, and pink. So here you can see the colors. There's some of this blue lace. There's a darker blue lace. There's some of this trim, pink trim. It's stretchy and it has some iridescent circle sequins in the middle. So some of that. There's some of this trim. There's a lot of trim actually. There's some of this Chinese braid in cream. There's this wide double face satin ribbon in a light pink. And then there's some organza ribbon, also in light pink. There's some of this trim. I'm trying to keep it as neat as possible so it doesn't, I don't have to rewrap everything. Some of this trim. There's this in a cream color. This is the next one. There's so much trim in here. There's this trim, which would look really nice having something down the center, like bling or ribbon, different color ribbon. That would be really nice. There's also this trim. You'll be receiving, let me get this a little organized, some sprays. So there's some beaded pearl sprays that look like a branch. There's some that are in a circle. There are some wheat sprays, some of these in light blue, some pink wheat sprays. There's some more of the beaded pearl, and then some more of this teardrop in blue. Just a bunch. Sweetie, go right over there. I don't know why my daughter thinks that I want to see her eating. There's some wire, because this also includes this lot includes some jewelry. There's this in light pink, pearls and rondelles. This Jesse James strand. Some blue glass pearls. There's this little container of these powder pink blue glass beads. There's this strand of powder pink rondelles. I had a brain fart there for a minute. These milk white rondelle beads. There are also these white glass beads that are faceted, and the idea is to have what you need to make like a charm to hang off of the edge of your mini album. I like to do that a lot with my mini albums. So there's also these charms. You're going to have some chain so that you can make your charm if you wanted to do that. There's also some heart clasps that I love to use.
Mom, why are you doing them?
Some eye pins. There's also a package of these, I guess they're paper clips. I think they're paper clips. They're swirls. So there's a package of that. And then there's some bling pieces. There's this really large glass heart, some pink crown, a butterfly, just a little few bling pieces to add if you wanted to. Now the collection for this is the K & Company Floral by Susan Weinget. So I have a lot of the accessories that go with it. So here is the embossed stickers. There's a whole bunch. You get a package of these layered accents. These are the butterflies. There's 25 pieces. There's also the flowers. There are 24 pieces of those. You will be getting the cardstock and acetate die cuts, and then this is what's included. There are 40 pieces. Sorry, my daughter. These acetate frames, and there's 10 pieces. So you get 2 of each of these 5. These epoxy stickers. These layered dimensional butterfly stickers. These word dimensional stickers. This is adhesive acetate borders. There are 8 different kinds. And then there are also these die cut cardstock pieces. There are 58 pieces. So that all matches the paper collection. And let me open this so that I can show you the papers. My daughter's so loud. Okay, so some of them are, they have special accents on them. So this is one of the pages. They're double-sided. Oh, this is so pretty. This pink with the butterfly. And this is the back. This green with the flowers. And I'm so sorry. My camera's not big enough to show the entire thing in one go, but these are super pretty. So very gorgeous and shabby. This is one of my favorite collections from K & Company. Wait, Nessa. Wait, baby. In the back. These yellow flowers. It is flowers. And this green. Nessa. Shh. Oh, this is one of my absolute favorite pages from it. The pink flowers and the butterflies. This is the back. And there are these butterflies that you can fussy cut these and put them individually onto your project. Whoops, and the back. There's this one. Sorry, I'm trying to go fast because my daughter She needs attention. Bird's nest. These are just really gorgeous, pretty papers. This is another favorite of mine. In the back. So gorgeous. This is one of the specialty papers. It has foil, blue foil on the top and the bottom. And the back, this one is raised. It has a shine to it. I forgot what it's called. Like, it's just like if you put glossy accents to it. That's what it is. These are also embossed. This is the back. This is also has the embossing on all of the berries. There are glitter on all the flowers on this page. And then this one has a pretty baby pink foil on the damask design. And then this one is glittered on the flowers all over the place. So that is the main collection. I've also included with this set a few other papers, specialty papers, so you'll be getting one of these ivory cream papers with emboss, and everything on it is embossed, and it's pearlized. And there's also this pearlized sheet with silver foil for the design. There is this pearlized cream cardstock with the swirls are glittered with silver. Then there are a couple of pearlized paper. I'm sure the camera's not really showing it all that great, but this is like a blue-gray, which matches and accents the collection really, really nicely. And I love these pearlized papers. I use them all the time on my projects. You get 2 of the pink pearlized shimmer papers, and then 2 of the white. You'll also be getting an acetate, a white polka dot acetate. And because it's like a mini album, I've included 10 sheets of 110-pound white cardstock for like the base pages or something. It's something sturdy to make the mini album. I'll also be including 3 heavyweight chipboard sheets. These are 12 by 12, and they are 50 point weight or 50 point heavyweight chipboard. So that this will be enough for you to have make 2 covers for the mini album plus a spine and maybe some other side projects. So that is what is included in the kit. If you're interested, I'm asking $130 shipped for this kit. Just leave a comment below if you're interested, or give me an email, or send me an email, which will be in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye.